Today we're going to be multiplying decimals. Here we have 2.37 times 25. We're going to start with our ones. 5. Here we got 5 times 7 is 35. Put the 5 and carry the 3. Then we got 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Put the 8 and carry the 1. Then we got 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Then we move on to our placeholder. We're going to go to our green number now. Put our placeholder right here. If you don't put your placeholder, it's going to be incorrect. I always like to go back and erase whatever I carried in my ones, so students don't get confused. We're ready to go with the tens place. Now we're going to multiply with the tens place. 2 times 7 is 14, 4, and carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then lastly we have 2 times 2 is 4. Here we're done multiplying. All we got to do now is add. We're going to use red for our answer. Addition. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the 2. Carry the 1. 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. And 4 plus 1 here is 5. When we multiply with decimals, we have to move the decimal. So we're going to move it 1, 2. We moved it twice here. If we move it twice on top, we need to move it twice on the bottom. Ready? 1, 2. So my answer is 59.25. 2.37 times 25 equals 59.25.